Welcome to the Windows Club. If you wish to insert an animated GIF in a Word document, then either read through this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Open the Word document, click on Insert, then click on the download pointing arrow associated with pictures. Select this device. Scroll to the GIF file. For example, this is the .gif file. Click on Insert and you will see that it has animated. You can add a few layout options like for example this one or this one or this one or this one. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club. Scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.